It's December 31st. This is the last day of the year. This is also the last vlog of the year. Fear not though, 2016, we still will be vlogging and giving you updates on the status of the new shop. But today I kind of want to show you some of the minor changes since the last vlog last week. So let's go inside the shop because a lot's changed. Looks like they've got most of the walls all painted now. They got the electrical outlets on the ceiling. Controls for the exhaust system and the heating system are on. All of the hoists are now ready to be used. More hoist controls have been put up. There's one major change that I want to show you guys right now. It's pretty big. The new car wash has been installed. These are the air dryers. So now when we wash your car for you, previously you had to dry your car off yourself. Now this is automatically going to dry it for you. So that is going to be one convenience that's going to be really nice for you guys. The oil tanks have been delivered. They're running more water lines. Hey, what's that thing?
It's an air makeup unit.
Okay. They've installed the new air makeup unit. They've got all the electrical outlets in the new tool room installed. The ventilation system in the new tool room has been installed. All of the exterior lights are now put up. They've got one of the first garage doors up right there. That is the exit garage door for the new car wash. All right, so that's it. Those are some of the new changes that have been going on in the new shop. Wanted to get out of there, so sorry it's a little short. The guys are on their lunch break and they're just about to get back to work. So, hope you guys all had a great holiday. Have a safe and happy new year, and we will see you next week in 2016.